A very big hint has been dropped from our NTA side just an hour before. So, அவங்க tweetல, in their tweet, they have posted now that on exam day, you should not be on panic mode. You should stay focused and have a deep break. First of all, this is not the point, but as you can see this text, இதுதான் உங்களுக்கு பெரிய game changer-ஆ இருக்க போகுது. So, what's in it for me, ma'am? Just listen to it carefully. Stay calm and trust your preparation on exam day. Focus on reading carefully, planning smartly and attempting with confidence. No matter the paper, your strategy stays the same. No matter the paper, your strategy stays the same. Now, let me tell you one thing, fair and square. NTA will not put such kind of post until or unless they want to convey a message to our students. அவங்க சும்மாலாம் வேலை இல்லைன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இந்த போஸ்ட்லாம் போடுறது இல்லை. கடைசி நேரத்துல in the last verge of your exam, they will ensure that they give some many important points so that you can follow that and maximize your scores. And அதுதான் இங்கேயும் நடந்திருக்கு. ஸோ அவங்க ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜியை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க, ஸ்மார்ட்டா பிளான் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றது. உங்களை புக்கை லைன் டு லைன் படிக்காதீங்க. நெவர் கோ வித் லைன் டு லைன் ரீடிங் ஆர் big conceptual understanding. Ensure that you focus on high weightage to grab maximum marks, PYQs to understand the pattern of questions, and you need a lot of practice so that you could attempt the questions with confidence. Remember, no matter the paper, whatever paper comes, be it difficult or easy, your strategy stays the same. Unga strategy இதுவாகத்தான் இருக்கும். Now, after seeing this video, a lot of teachers in YouTube and influencers might come and say to you, like, don't watch these kind of videos. They are all trying to, make you in panic mode. We will never do this kind of a video. We will only focus on academics and what you need. They can இந்த மாதிரி சொல்றவங்களை மட்டும் நம்பாதீங்க. Because these people are not doing these videos just because they don't want to do. They don't have time to do so. They have their time for your academic classes, academic life, but not for giving you these valuable informations. So, அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறவங்களை நம்பி அவங்க சொல்றத கேட்டுட்டு நான் இந்த மாதிரியெல்லாம் நியூஸ் பார்க்க மாட்டேன்னு மட்டும் இருந்துடாதீங்க. My kind request, please watch this kind of news updates at least in 2x so that they will give you some insights which are very, very valuable for you in the very last stage. நேரம் கம்மியா இருக்கு, நம்ம கிட்ட இருக்கிற எல்லா ரிசோர்ஸஸையும் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும். அதுக்காக நான் though I get a lot of negative comments and a negative message from these so-called big teachers and influencers, I still do it for you because I want my students to understand what the play of NTA is and to crack NEET exam this time without fail. Hope you understand the pain of what I say. So, தயவு செஞ்சு இந்த மாதிரி updates மிஸ் பண்ணாதீங்க. That is all I want to say, you guys. And with this, I wind up this session. இன்னைக்கு ஈவினிங் 6 மணிக்கு நம்மளோட லைவ் இருக்கு. So please ensure that you come for the live, practice a lot of questions, and make sure that you make your dream come true this year by putting a lot of hard work and smart work. Though the time is less, you still have your dream to be accomplished. So God bless you. All the very best. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to the channel. Nandri, vanakkam.